How to change video speed on CapCut. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to manage your video speed on CapCut app, go to the app. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now upload your video from here, or you can just choose from your projects. For example, I already have this video, so after you upload your video it will take you to this page. Now go down here, click on this little icon here, it's called edit. Click on edit. Now here you will find the speed option. Click on speed and choose if you want to manage it normal or curve. If you want normal, you can manage the speed from here, and if you want to manage it as curved, do this and choose any of these, or you can custom from here. It's so easy and good, as you can see. Now it's so professional and so easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.